In this woodworking trick, I will mix some carpenter's glue with water-based red paint. And I expected the mixture to be red, but of course, if we mix red with white, we get that chewing gum color. I tried to add more red paint, but that didn't change the color. And the mixture is not as dense as the original carpenter's glue. But well, I decided to use this mixture to glue a finger joint. So let's see what happens. The glue usually leaks out, but later in this video we will see a woodworking trick, so we won't have neither to clean the excess of glue nor to sand it in the inside corner of the joint. Well, I let it dry, and when it is dry, now it is red. Carpenter's glue is transparent when it is dry, so I guess transparent plus red is red. Actually, some people already saw it on my Instagram profile. Link in the description. I apply some varnish and here I have this very nice red line between the fingers. And that is exactly what I was looking for. Sure, this is a technique I can improve, but so far I am quite happy with how this looks. But now I wonder whether this mixture makes a strong woodworking joint. And well, I have to do a lot of strength to dismantle the joint. And here we can see that the mixture strips off some wood, so I think it works quite well. So I think this technique can be great to make some nice wooden boxes with a beautiful color line in the joints. Now, if I put here some painter's tape right against the base of the fingers, I put some carpenter's glue in the joint, and the excess of glue leaks out the inside corner. And this is a difficult place to clean or to sand the glue, but now the carpenter's glue stays on the painter's tape. So when it is dry, it should be easy to remove the painter's tape with the glue. Okay, not easy if I wear gloves. I will use a cutter to cut the carpenter's glue against the corner. And here we can see how most of the carpenter's glue is on the painter's tape. Like this, the inside corner of this joint is quite clean. I didn't have to clean the wet glue, and now I don't have to sand dry glue. Well, okay, I will also test the strength of this joint. I would say I did the same strength to dismantle the joint as with the mixture. It looks easy, but in this case it also strips off some wood. Thanks for watching. If you think these woodworking tricks with carpenter's glue are interesting, don't forget to click like and share. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click the bell to get the notifications when I upload a new video. And you can also follow my projects in my Instagram, link in the description.